So guys, today we're going to be doing part 2 of Pack My Children's Lunch. Let's get started. Well, I'm not going to be, just watch. 3, 2, before we get started, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I post a new YouTube video and like. So let's get started. 3, 2, 1. I'm in the cafeteria. That's the setting. Oh, my mom packed me lunch again. Let's see what she packed me. Oh, yay, orange juice that she already drank. Great. Oh, I hope you like it. Love, Mom. Yeah, well, no one's going to be saying that. Fork. Alright, so it is my... She did not. She got me these aftershocks. I, literally love... No. Everyone sees the no. No, it's nothing. It's nothing. Okay, maybe that's a little over dramatic. Okay. Oh, yay. That's for my snack and my orange. Let's get eating. This is great. I need some lunch juice. Maybe I'm going to save these two. But no, I'm keeping this aftershock. That was good. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, yay. Put my lunch back together. I guess I could have these Doritos. Oh, I gotta quickly eat my dessert. Aftershock. I love it. Okay. Getting into me! Okay, maybe I shouldn't eat out in the cafeteria. Yeah. Close this up. Come on, guys.